So, you're thinking about investing with Nutmeg, huh? That's great. But, like most things in life, there's a catch. Or at least a question. How long does it actually take Nutmeg to invest your money? I mean, we're talking about your hard-earned cash here. You want to know it's working for you, right? Now, I know what you're thinking. It should be instant, like magic. You deposit the money and poof, it's in the market, making you richer by the second. But, unfortunately, the world of finance isn't quite that simple. There are rules, regulations, and, well, just plain old bureaucracy to deal with. Let's break it down. First off, there's the time it takes to actually sign up and set up your account. This can vary depending on how quickly you can provide the necessary information. We're talking about things like your ID, proof of address, and your financial situation. It's like filling out a really important form, but without the joy of winning a prize. Once you've jumped through those hoops, there's the matter of choosing your investment plan. Nutmeg offers a range of options, from cautious to adventurous. This is where you decide how much risk you're comfortable with. It's a big decision, so take your time. Remember, there's no rush to get rich quick. After you've picked your plan, Nutmeg needs to build your investment portfolio. This involves selecting a mix of assets like stocks, bonds, and other financial instruments. It's like putting together the perfect playlist for your money. And just like with a playlist, it takes a bit of time to curate the ideal mix. So, how long does all this take? Well, Nutmeg aims to invest your money within a few days of you completing the setup process. But, there are always exceptions. Market conditions, system issues, or even just plain old human error can cause delays. It's important to remember that investing is a long-term game. While it's tempting to want instant gratification, the real rewards come from staying invested over time. Short-term fluctuations in the market don't matter as much as your overall investment goals. Now, you might be wondering if there's anything you can do to speed things up. The short answer is, not really. The investment process involves a number of steps that require time. But, you can certainly make things easier on yourself by having all your documents ready when you sign up. To sum it up, how long does it take Nutmeg to invest your money? A few days, ideally. But it can take longer. The key is to be patient and understand that investing is a marathon, not a sprint. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.